I'm about to make you rich in the next 10 minutes online making Fortnite maps, because if you guys are looking at my screen, this game right here called TikTok Box Fights have amassed 47,000 players and it's made a grand total of $12,000 within just a span of 6 hours. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary fundamentals and required steps you guys need to replicate and emulate and copy me at the palm of your fingertip, which of course is going to allow you guys to make thousands of dollars a month online making Fortnite maps. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. Let's get right into it. Alright everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually master UEFN and verse code scripting entirety. How do I actually learn? What is UEFN? How do I create a project? All you guys have to do is go into island templates and load up an Excel grid island. And if you guys want to actually learn how to actually download UEFN, go ahead and search up UEFN download and you will see the downloader right here. You can go ahead and download Epic Games off the Epic Games launcher, right? See how it's already in library? For you guys, it'll say, go ahead and download it. And you're going to get your ass to do it right in front of you. So once we are loaded inside of UEFN, as you can see, we are creating an Excel grid island. Pretty much what this is, it's a flat surface so I can educate you guys and show you guys all of the glory of UEFN. Do I sound like TGI Trades? Am I acting all goofy? But yeah, it's crazy how, I mean, I'm smart, okay? But like, it's like, guys, you do not have to be like some, like, dude, I'm making lots of money and I'm here to help you guys. Like, you don't have to be like some guy in a suit, all professional. Like, bro, you got to be nonchalant and chill, like a chill guy. That's what I'm doing here. So, just want to talk to you guys about, just want to show you guys, how do I actually navigate UEFN? Well, here you go. This is what I want you guys to do. Search up WASD on your keyboard. And yes, guys, UEFN is only allowed for computers. Sorry, guys, your consoles, I'm sorry. I know PlayStation was off for like a week or something with their networks or whatever the hell. Sadly, you're fucked. Okay, sorry, you cannot be used. You can't you make games. Sorry, get out of here. So, computer folks, now that you're back, this is what I want you guys to do. So to actually learn UEFN, this is how it works. So if we go to the content drawer here, this is what you guys are looking at. So the content drawer is a folder inside of Fortnite that holds and stores all of the components inside of Fortnite, which pretty much means is that we can actually drag out and drop. And pretty much what I'm doing, guys, is I'm turning up the volume because I have audio playing. I'm listening to some nice music. And this here is the camera speed. So if I go here and I press W, and in the first place, to actually move around, you hold right click on your mouse. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to hold it up, but I'm dyslexic. I don't know. So we move WASD to move left and right. And essentially, what we can do is change the camera speed, which allows us to move a lot faster. And why do you want to do this, in fact? Because you move like a fucking grandma, okay? You move way too slow. Sorry for the swearing, but yeah, like I said, guys, the content drawer is, in fact, storing all the contents for Fortnite. So we have all the items here, like this item right here. And we can go ahead and actually drag it out. And you will see the item. So this is how we do it. So let's just say you want to build a game. Let's grab out an item granter. Let's make a little box fights. Let's do it right now. So here's an item granter, essentially the functionalities of this actual game. And the item granter is to grant the person items. No shit, Davey. That's literally the name. Okay, but how do all right, buddy, go tell me how you put items in it then. Tell me how I put items. That's right, that's what I thought. So what you guys have to do is go to the item list right over here. All right, right over here. And press none. And grab the acorn. You can grab literally whatever you want inside of the item granter. It seriously does not matter. It's so dependent on whatever you're trying to include inside of your game. Lastly, verse code. How do I actually learn verse code? How do I do it? Well, this is how, guys, okay? This is how you guys want to learn verse code. This is verse code right here. If you guys actually go to the website that it lists right here, like if we copy and paste the entire code, I'll show you exactly where it takes us. It'll take us to this website, okay? UEFN verse documentation. So right now I'm going to go onto this website and give you guys an in-depth explanation on what actual verse code language actually is, okay? So these pages will describe what verse code is for you guys, because it's literally just its own coding language to create computing mechanics and fundamentals inside of Fortnite map making. So verse is simple enough to learn, general enough to write out. It's like C++ mixed with Python and Java. It's not really that complex. I'll write it out and show you guys. And it's productive, okay? So it's literally just coding. If you guys don't know what coding is, it's numbers and zeros on a screen. Picture yourself turning off and on a light. Okay, so you have one end here, one end here. And they're just sending signals to each other to do certain functions. That is what code is. It's just descriptions. That's all it is, to do said things. And with Versify, you can actually automate the entire process. If you go to versify.gg, I've launched a software company that I will give all of you guys free credits if you guys hit me up in my Discord. So join the Discord and link in the description to show you guys how to actually get started. So Versify can actually create the code for you. Not a joke. If you go here, I would like the player to have diamonds and whatever the hell, 5 icons. Literally, you just have to type in your prompt. I know I'm talking super sporadic and super fast, but here, I'm here for you guys to get the cash. Okay, I am. You guys are going to get rich. So, Versified generates the code for you guys to actually build your games. So this is going to solve you a lot of headache and problems and tyranny that you're going through. So if we go here and we go into the verse code, as you can see, this is the fully functional code that I can literally just copy inside of Fortnite and paste inside of UEFN. It's just that easy, guys. It's seriously that easy. It's insane. Like, it's literally insane. It makes me want to stutter. I'm super excited. So this was the bare bone basics of UEFN and how to actually navigate it and get started and master it. Let's get on to the fourth video. See you guys there. Welcome to the fourth video in the Fort Mafia 2.0 Inner Circle beta launch. Last video, I told you how to navigate UEFN. How do I promote my games now? How am I going to be marketing and promoting my games? What are people actually doing? Davey, help me out. Okay, so what we're going to do, I want you guys to do the same thing with me. Head on into TikTok and search up Fortnite Maps. This is where you're going to get a plethora of content, just like this Chill Guy Pillars game that we talked about in the second video, where I showed you guys the game and how it's making millions and millions and millions, hundreds and thousands of dollars, okay? I know I'm talking super sporadic and super fast. I'm just here to help you guys, okay? Keep in mind, alrighty? So, how do I actually learn how to promote my games? We look here. Everyone's just doing the same clickbait. It's very, very boring. Like, we go here. This map gave me a rare OG Renegade Raider. Like, come on now. Like, nobody's really believing this, right? Right? Well, wrong, bro. People are actually believing this. And to get ahead, you have to be doing the same things as these guys. But one thing that they're actually missing is that it's not actually accurate. It's not real. So they're making fake videos that is just going to kill their attention. If we actually copy and paste the code in the description that he gave us so kindly, we can see how well this game's actually performing when he's actually promoted it. And it's had 1,900 players, and it's made a grand total of $5,000. So he did all of that, mind you, for only $5,000. Okay, so that's not bad. That's not bad. But you're investing into the inner circle. You want your time and you want your dollars worth. And that's what you're going to have. So how do I actually promote my games? Davey, how do I do it? This is how. And it's from all three of the modules combined. Personal brand, self-identity, good ideas, uniqueness. How do you do it then? Okay, so what I want you guys to do is dissect yourselves. Like, when I'm making my own content ideas, I'm like, okay, what am I providing for these guys? Like, making this tutorial for you guys, I was thinking of how am I going to provide value? And the only way to do it is by self-diagnosing yourself and how you act and how you can help and benefit other people. Like, think of it like this, guys. When I thought of this video idea, obviously you're watching because I have a personal brand and I can help you. But how did I come up with that idea? Because I've done it several times. But how? How? You have to come up with the why. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm helping you. And that's how you build a personal brand. You provide value in exchange and compensation for the person's time. They could either pay to help themselves solve time, or you can do a mutual benefit exchange. There's many ways to do it. But how does that solve the problem of struggling to promote your games like you guys are yourself? And this is my answer for you guys, okay? So what I want you guys to do is copy the content that you see people doing. All right, I want you guys to copy it. I know a lot of you guys don't want to be showing your faces in these videos like mine. You don't want to always be being so out lavish and enthusiastic and whatever. Not all of you guys are meant for this, you know? To be content creators and influencers and inspire millions of people. I'm doing it. Doesn't mean you have to, okay? We all have our own destiny. We can always kill the dragon later, okay? We can always slay the dragon later. So, how do I actually promote my games? Let me show you. So if we go here, Epic Games, Ninja XP Maps. Sadly, this is what people are doing. They're doing fake XP glitches. And I know that's kind of conclusion and it's kind of annoying that people are doing it like this, but like, I know, man, it sucks. Like, this is just what people are doing and it's a sad reality, but this is what you got to do. You have to make these types of content. And what I want you guys to do when you're actually editing your videos is DaVinci Resolve. This is a software, an editing software that will help you guys immensely in editing your content, which is completely free. So if we search up DaVinci Resolve, you can see, here it is right here, DaVinci Resolve 19. It is completely free to download and access. It's way better than Adobe Premiere Pro, I promise you, okay? It really is. And as well, I hope that clears up any confusion for you guys, because with these next modules ahead, I promise you, bro, the amount of value you're going to learn is insane. Thank you so much for watching the fourth installment for the Fort Mafia 2.0 beta launch inner circle waitlist. let's get right into the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's seriously been a blessing having you guys watch the channel. Thank you guys so much for your time today and watching my content. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. Let me know what you guys thought of this video down in the comments. It was a little different. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Click the last video on the screen. I'm out. Peace.